How to add someone on Discord. Hello guys, welcome back to app tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you add someone on Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do this, you just simply have to open your Discord application and then just simply go over this chat bubble or message icon into the top left. Then you will directly get the option of add friends. Just simply tap to add friends and then you will get a bunch of options in order to add somebody in your Discord. Now you can add by username, you can find friends, you can share the invite link by using this many options including Messenger, Twitter, WhatsApp. Now just simply select any of the options and then you can add or invite someone on your Discord. This way you can very easily add somebody on your Discord account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.